That loud, growling sound your stomach makes when you re-hungry isn't embarrassing. It's actually your body doing maintenance. It is called borborygmi, the rumbling sound caused by muscles in your stomach and intestines contracting to move leftover food and air. It's part of a cleaning cycle called the migrating motor complex. When your stomach is empty, the walls squeeze harder to clear out any remaining particles. That S when you hear the growl. It's like your digestive system sweeping the floor before the next meal. You can even hear it louder when you re-hungry because there's less food to muffle the sound. So, next time your stomach rumbles in class, don't be shy. It's just your body saying, "I'm ready for the next round."